Hey there fellow wine enthusiasts, I'm here representing Team GILSP to demonstrate to you our wine app, VineWheel. So basically our app is used to discover new wines, and so before we install our app, go ahead and go into settings and make sure that you are able to download APKs and security and unknown sources. Make sure that checkbox is okay and good to go. Alright, now go ahead and go on the internet and visit our website, bit.ly, that's one word, bity.com/Team GILSP, Team GILSP. Brings you to our website, and right here is download now, so click here for our APK. And that'll go straight to your downloads and VineWheel.apk. So once that's finished downloading, go ahead and click it. Permissions are here, okay. Install. Give it a second. Go ahead and open it. Alright, and so this will take you to our main splash screen for VineWheel. And in order to log in, you need to have a Facebook account. So you can go ahead and log in with your personal Facebook account, or if you don't feel comfortable with that, we have a few Facebook accounts that we have provided you that you can log in using ours. But today I'm going to go ahead and log in using my Facebook account. And so just be patient and give it a second to communicate with Facebook. VineWheel would like to access your public profile. Alrighty. We promise we won't post anything without your knowing of. And now, as you can see, you're at our main selection wheel screen. And down here we have our color wheel, which you can dial through, or also flick like the Wheel of Fortune. And up here we have the text box, and the bottom right here, it tells you what color wine. There's red, white, and rosé. And above that is the first category that describes the wine, and above that is an even more specific descriptor. And so, for example, if I'm looking for, let's say I want something more specific, I can go ahead and go into the filter right here and choose something that is of more of my liking. So maybe let's say I don't want a rosé wine. I'm not looking for a sparkling wine, semi-sweet, fortified, or dry. So I'm looking for a red or white wine that's either savory, fruity, or sweet. I go ahead and click done, flick the wheel, and it refreshes the wheel, and I run through these options. Light, apricots, peaches, sweet and white, maybe. Rich tropical honey, sweet white wine, sounds promising. I go ahead and click find wine, and it gives me a list of different varietals. And out of this list, I'm feeling Moscato. Alright, so this pops up a list of wines sorted by rating from top to down. And the first one, 2012 Vineyard 28 Moscato, let's take a look at it. Alright, sounds promising, but 8% alcohol content isn't enough for me. So actually, let's go back and Woodbridge Moscato 2010, 3.5 stars. Let's go ahead and click that. 13%. That's how I like my. A little higher. Alright. So the descriptions, you can go ahead and read about this wine. Honeysuckle and rose, orange and zest. Oh, perfect. And let's go into the comments and see what people posted. Oh, Mr. JC said it was awesome. Okay, sounds promising. And myself, I'll say, I can't wait to try this. go ahead and post this comment. And if I refresh, go back to the comment page, it'll see that Mr. SC, who is myself, says, I can't wait to try this. And now that I looked at this wine, it looks good to me, so I go ahead and add it to my personal cellar. Wine added to personal cellar. And now what I can actually do is go back and open up the sidebar, which you can actually open up by swiping the side. You can press the menu button right here, or you can press this top icon. It takes out our menu drawer, and if you go to your personal inventory, the second item right there. So these two items I added earlier, but now Moscato, Woodbridge Moscato, California, 2010 is added to my personal inventory, along with the wines that I added previously. Okay, and now let's actually go to settings. And shake for random wine is checked by default. Shake sensitivity is average by default, but let's move it to gentle. Go back, and back to selection wheel screen, and let's give it a nice little shake. Sorry, my phone's kind of taped down right now. So this wine is Cabernet Sauvignon. All right. Let's add that to our cellar. And if we actually give another shake, that's another one. This is more of a description. We add that to our personal cellar too. And if you are inventory, we have Barbara, Cabernet Sauvignon, all added in. And now let's say we want to search for wine by the winery. So I'm looking for Russian River Valley. So I put Russian River, find it, and let's take a look. Where is this from? Russian River Valley. All right. So all of these are from Russian River Valley. So I can also sort by winery. I can look at these how I want to. I want a Pinot Noir. Maybe not. Chardonnay. Alrighty. Add that to my personal cellar. Okay. And okay. And now I'm back here. Let's say that I want to search for a wine place. Okay, so around here we have all these different places that we can find wines. So we can drink wine at all these Fleming's. All right, there's Zanzibar. They have good beer and wine there. Whole Foods, Trader Joe's. Get a $2 check there. And all these have different ratings as well. And so let's say I want to click for directions to Trader Joe's. Yes. And it'll take me to Google Maps. And it could take me... all right, there it is. And if we go back to our app, and we go to friend activity, we can actually also see all the people who are also using this app. And that Gary Gillespie is actually a fake Gary Gillespie, but just so you know. And these are all like my group members and a dummy account right there. And so basically we went through each of our functionalities here. And now if you want to, you can go ahead and log out. If you so desire, log out. Takes you back to the splash screen. You can exit, and if you choose to, you can maybe go back. And once you're actually logged into Facebook, it's easy to log back in. So this is what it would look like if you already logged into Facebook or have the Facebook app. Go straight into the color wheel and keep searching. Thanks for watching.